let's ride, let's ride.
New love, new vibe.
Met her on a rooftop, city lights glow. Talking about a dream like we already know. She said I don't fall fast, I said me neither. But her laugh hit different, couldn't leave her.
Late nights, two hearts, one speaker. Share play, as our souls got deeper. Every text felt like a sunrise scene. Now I'm writing bars where our name should be. No games, no chase, just real-time pace. Every moment with you got a golden grace.
Ride over, you and I know the skies. New love got the world in our eyes. From the lows to the highs, we rise with a trend that never dies. Ride over, every beat testifies, we'll flame that the night amplifies.
She got that look, no filter, no fake. Heart so pure, make the whole world shake. Turn my hustle into something divine. Now success is sweeter cause she's in the line. We ain't perfect, nah, but the fit's insane. Two souls synced up like a perfect chain. Every flight we take, every show, every crowd. A voice in my head saying make me proud.
New love, new world, no fear inside. Got each other, got nothing to hide. If we crash in style. Still laughing after every mile.
Right over,
you and I know the sky. New love got the world in our eyes. From the lows to the highs, we rise with a trend that never dies. Ride over, every beat testifies, we'll flame that the